The Crushet Z210 is a rugged all-terrain vehicle powered by a Hyundai turbo diesel engine and equipped with a manual gearbox, capable of reaching speeds up to 31 miles per hour. It features triple bench seats that can fold down to accommodate a queen-size mattress, making this compact four-wheel drive vehicle versatile for both transportation and camping. Built to ensure reliability across a broad temperature range from -76 degrees Fahrenheit to 122 degrees Fahrenheit, the Crushet Z210's durable construction makes it an excellent choice for off-road activities. Priced at approximately 4,410,000 Russian rubles, or about $48,000, this vehicle is designed to handle diverse and challenging environments. The ATV Shaman, a Russian-made 8x8 all-terrain vehicle, is designed to traverse diverse landscapes, including marshes, tundra, and even bodies of water, thanks to its low-pressure tires and a 4-cylinder diesel engine. With seating for up to 8 passengers, the Shaman offers 3 different driving modes and features a unique driver's seat resembling a captain's chair, along with a closed frame that safeguards the transmission components. Ideal for off-roading and various outdoor adventures, the Shaman's cost can vary depending on configuration and added options, with a base price around $200,000 that can reach up to $240,000. The Sherp UTV is an amphibious utility task vehicle built to handle even the toughest terrains, including water, thanks to its special ultra-low-pressure tires that provide excellent traction. Its body, crafted from galvanized steel and aluminum, ensures durability and corrosion resistance, while an integrated RS rollover protection system and a low center of gravity enhance safety and reduce the risk of rollovers. The Sherp's adaptable space is maximized with foldable rear seats, allowing it to accommodate up to 9 passengers. Powered by an environmentally friendly 55 horsepower engine, the Sherp meets Stage V/Tier 4 final emission standards. With its ability to turn almost on the spot, it offers remarkable maneuverability for navigating tight spaces and dense woodlands. Prices for a Sherp UTV range from $115,000 to $375,000. The Tinger TF4 is a versatile ATV built for rugged terrains, powered by a 57 horsepower Cherry SQR engine with a 5-speed manual gearbox and liquid cooling system. While its top speed is 60 km per hour on land, it can manage up to 5 km per hour in water. With space for 5 passengers and a payload capacity of 600 kilograms, the TF4 is designed to handle various terrains, including snow, mud, and water, thanks to its ultra-low-pressure tires. Its cabin, equipped with ergonomic seats, a heater, and multiple power outlets, is ideal for extended journeys. Built for durability, it operates in temperatures ranging from -30 degrees Celsius to +30 degrees Celsius. Starting at approximately $30,000, the Tinger TF4's price may vary depending on selected features and configurations. Engineer Edward Luzon from Russia created the HAMYAK ATV, a unique single-track all-terrain vehicle whose name, HAMYAK, Russian for hamster, reflects its compact and agile design. Powered by a 15 cubic centimeters engine initially intended for scooters, the HAMYAK is modest in size, similar to a child's bicycle, yet highly mobile. Lacking a traditional steering system, riders simply shift their weight or place a foot down to turn, making it particularly effective on soft surfaces like sand and snow. Drawing inspiration from snowmobiles, the track is equipped with rollers to absorb impact. While it can reach speeds up to 43 km per hour, a more comfortable cruising speed is around 20 km per hour due to its lack of suspension. Remarkably lightweight at just 85 pounds, the HAMYAK is small enough to fit in the trunk of any car. The STORM-MPV is a multi-role armored vehicle designed for specialized military and civic applications, offering advanced mobility and reliability. Equipped with the latest in ballistic, IED and mine blast protection, it is built to endure extreme conditions. Produced in collaboration between Highland Systems and Street Group, a UAE-based armored vehicle manufacturer, the STORM-MPV is capable of surface amphibious operations and can be fitted with remote control devices for autonomous functionality. Measuring 5.8 meters in length, 2.3 meters in height, and 2.8 meters in width, this vehicle reaches speeds of up to 140 km per hour on land and up to 30 km per hour on water, making it suitable for diverse, high-stakes environments. The TerrainHopper is an innovative electric off-road mobility vehicle designed for individuals with mobility challenges, capable of navigating various surfaces including thick mud, fine beach sand, snow, pebbles, and steep slopes. It boasts a 35 degrees climbing capacity and approximately 10 inches of ground clearance, enabling users to enjoy outdoor activities with loved ones. Suitable for sidewalks, public trails, beaches, parks, and other pedestrian-permitted areas, the TerrainHopper opens up previously inaccessible areas like beaches and hiking paths. Ideal for hunting, fishing, camping, trekking, and beach strolls, this all-terrain vehicle has been compared to a mini Land Rover for its ability to perform in challenging environments. The Burlac Amphibious ATV is a robust six-wheeled vehicle built for challenging off-road conditions, with an operational temperature range from -60 degrees Celsius to +50 degrees Celsius, enabling it to tackle terrains such as sand, swamps, rivers, and snow. Its versatility has been proven in extreme climates like Antarctica and the Arctic. Powered by a 150 horsepower engine, the Burlac reaches speeds of up to 50 km per hour and boasts an impressive payload capacity of up to 3 tons, making it suitable for various expeditions and daily tasks. Its amphibious capabilities are enhanced by ultra-low pressure tires, allowing it to easily navigate water obstacles. The base price for the Burlac 6x6 model is around $180,000, reflecting its advanced engineering and adaptability for users in harsh environments. The Atlas ATV is a versatile all-terrain vehicle designed to handle the toughest landscapes. Powered by a Renault 1.5L turbocharged diesel engine, it can reach speeds up to 60 km per hour on land and 7 km per hour on water. The ATV can be customized to carry up to 12 passengers or accommodate a stretcher, making it adaptable for various applications. Equipped with features like a ground guard, differential lock, pneumatic suspension, and adjustable seat belts, the Atlas ATV combines functionality with safety. Starting at $159,000, the price can increase to $175,000 with additional options. As both an off-roader and amphibious vehicle, it serves as a universal solution for diverse tasks and environments. The Voyager Defense D12 is a hybrid diesel-electric amphibious all-terrain tractor carrier built with military-grade construction. Equipped with independent electric traction motors, the D12 can generate a total output of 160 kilowatts and reach speeds of up to 40 miles per hour. Its modular rear compartment can serve various purposes, including a mobile command headquarters, ambulance, or rescue unit. The vehicle accommodates up to 12 passengers, with 4 seats in the front and 8 in the back. It has an off-road range of 185 miles and a road range of 250 miles. Additionally, the D12 features a newly patented suspension system designed to enhance its capabilities across all terrains. Produced by UTV International, this versatile vehicle is engineered for a wide range of applications.